Tervetuloa and welcome to Learn Finnish with me, where we learn Finnish in fun and easy way. Today we are going to dive deeper into the Finnish verb Olla, and we will look at how to use it in positive, question, negative, and negative question form. Let's get started. In Finnish, we use Olla to talk about what something is. In a positive sentence, we just use the present tense form of Olla. Minä olen, I am. Sinä olet, you are. Hän on, he or she is. Me olemme, we are. Te olette, you are. He ovat, they are. Let's look at a few examples in positive sentence. Minä olen opiskelija. I am student. Sinä olet ystävä. You are friend. Hän on opettaja. He or she is a teacher. Me olemme kotona. We are at home. Te olette suomalaisia. You are Finnish. He ovat iloisia. They are happy. Now let's learn how to turn this into question. To make a question in Finnish, we flip the order of the subject and the verb. Let me show you how this works with the verb olla. The positive sentence is Minä olen opiskelija. I am student. To make it a question, we move the verb olen before the subject minä and add ko to the verb. It becomes Olenko minä opiskelija? Am I student? The next sentence is Sinä olet ystävä. You are friend. To turn it into a question, move olet before sinä and add ko to the verbs. So, oletko sinä ystävä? Are you a friend? Here's another one. Hän on opettaja. He or she is a teacher. For this, add onko before the subject hän. It becomes onko hän opettaja? Is he or she a teacher? Next up is me olemme kotona. We are at home. We move olemme before me and add ko. It's now olemmeko me kotona? Are we at home? Next, te olette suomalaisia. You are Finnish. Turn it into a question by adding oletteko before the subject te. It becomes oletteko te suomalaisia? Are you Finnish? Finally, we have he ovat iloisia. They are happy. For a question, add ovatko before he. It becomes ovatko he iloisia? Are they happy? In a negative sentence, we use the word a, which means not, before the verb olla. To make sentence negative, we simply add a before the verb. And sometimes we also change the form of the verb a little. Let's go through some example. The positive sentence is Minä olen opiskelija. I am a student. To make it negative, Minä en ole opiskelija. I am not a student. Here we use en instead of olen to make it negative. Next, sinä olet ystävä. You are a friend. To turn this into a negative sentence, sinä et ole ystävä. You are not friend. We change the verb to add to make the sentence negative. For this one, hän on opettaja. He or she is a teacher. In the negative form, hän ei ole opettaja. He or she is not a teacher. Here we use a before the verb to make it negative. Next up, me olemme kotona. We are at home. To make it negative, me emme ole kotona. We are not at home. The verb changes to emme for the negative form. Here's another. Te olette suomalaisia. You are Finnish. In the negative form, te ette ole suomalaisia. You are not Finnish. Ette is used here for the negative form. Finally, he ovat iloisia. They are happy. To make it negative, he eivät ole iloisia. They are not happy. For the plural form, we use eivät before the verb. Finally, let's learn how to change a negative sentence into negative question in Finnish. It's actually pretty simple. We just add ko to the verb and make sure to keep the negative form. Let's look at a few more examples. Minä en ole opiskelija. Enkä minä ole opiskelija. Sinä et ole ystävä. Etkö sinä ole ystävä? Hän ei ole opettaja. Eikö hän ole opettaja? Me emme ole kotona. Emmekö me ole kotona? Te ette ole suomalaisia. Ettekö te ole suomalaisia? He eivät ole iloisia. Eivätkö he ole iloisia? That's it for today's lesson on the verb of Olla. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe for more Finnish language tips. Kiitos kun katsoit. Heippa!